Hi guys, in this quick video I'll show you how I cleaned up my old Stanley No.4 hand plane. As you can see, there was quite a bit of rust that needed to be removed. A small piece of the handle was missing too. I started removing all the bolts. By separating the parts, it will be easier to clean them up. I sprayed the surfaces with WD-40 and then used a wire brush on my old drill to remove the rust. And after this process, all the surfaces looked nice and shiny again. Then I started sharpening the blade. And made sure that all the parts worked properly. The handle was replaced with a new one and all the parts were put back together. Then I did a quick test on a piece of scrap wood and the tool worked great again. So that's all for this video today. I hope I inspired someone out there. Feel free to like or subscribe and have a nice day in your shop.